Hi you guys, how's everyone doing? It is like May 11th. Okay, it's not like May 11th, it is May 11th. It was just hailing or snowing here earlier. Minnesota is again psychotic. I think it was snowing because it's probably not cold enough to hail, but either way, that's really fucked up. Basically, I am wearing a new spring dress, even though it's really cold here, but it's May, so I want to wear it. It's really cute. It was from Forever 21. It was $10 on sale. Yes, so I had my first trans appointment this Monday, so in 2 days. I'm really excited, nervous. I'm meeting the doctor for the first time, so it's probably just going to be a lot of my history, what's going on. So a really generic appointment, but I'm really excited to meet with her and just sort of go over everything. It's coming at a really good time because I'm applying for jobs and I'm in the process of like getting one at a really conservative company where they would want me to be a boy. They would hire me as a boy, so it would be a problem to start transitioning and try to have that job. So I'm really confused. I'm kind of worried, nervous, but like at the same time, it's just there's nothing I can do about it. I need a job. I need to work. I need to do something. But I also need to do what's right for me in my personal life, and that is definitely seeing this doctor and moving forward in that respect. So, it's going to work out. As long as I'm doing what I need to do and I'm moving forward with these appointments, I'm really okay with life. So yeah, now I'm going to walk around, show you guys my shoes, my dress, the look I'm rocking today. I don't know if I told you guys, but I graduated college. I'm done with classes. It's really exciting. I can't believe like a tran like me was able to get through college. And I say that like half jokingly, but like actually like it's really surprising that I was able to get through college because, well, I mean there was a few. Yeah, okay, so a few rocks in the road, a bumpy road. I don't know what the expression is, but it was a bumpy road. Hi you guys, me and Prissy are on our way to Blockbuster and Target because we gotta pick up some things. I'm gonna get like 10,000 headbands because my hair is crazy in the wind, and Prissy needs to return some movies. Daft bitch. Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, so we found a cute little like headband because I needed one really badly, and then to commensurate the first outing as a tran, I'm also gonna get this cute little like diamond thing. It's really cute. So yeah, some new additions to the wardrobe. I'm really excited.
Working all day, girl, you gotta make a living. Loving when you're talking, girl, I love you cause you listen. Baby, now I promise I'll do everything you didn't. Cause he sold you a dream, then he wound up missing. Oh, make it feel like it's the beginning. Scared to love, I know by how you hold me when we're kissing. Oh, but I'ma treat you real different. On time, you know I love it when we kick it. You're not a girl and she looks just like my mother. You better tuck her in, it's going down tonight. And I'ma give you what I'll give no other. Cause this ain't love if we can't love for life. And we make love in the dark. Girl, you light up my life. You are so beautiful.
That's all I have for you today. Make sure you subscribe and comment and let me know what you want to see in the next video. I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.
Put your ideas for my newest video right
Okay,
there.
you're scaring me.